Well, James, we've finally got some cumulus size snowbanks here. Matter of fact, they're so big they got dark bases. Yep, this is after the snowstorm of February 24, 2010. We got another big storm coming in today. It's gonna mostly rain. It's gonna probably cause some flooding problems. Heaviest rain comes in this evening, probably sometime after 4 or 5. Then it really gets heavy. It's gonna be interesting. There's a little cap of snow on the gazebo. Snow on the basketball hoop, that's kind of funny. Yeah, another great day in New England. What do you expect in the winter, you know?